So
you got there?
we were able to find some drinks but they were made by traditional Japanese beer companies. So this is green tea, but it's made by Asahi. And then, what about you?
I'm gonna drink some Strong World, which is film by Sapporo. I don't know what it is. It's kind of milky. I think it's rice milk. I'm not sure.
That's awful. It tastes like real green, but not real green tea. It tastes like just the bark of the green tree. It's not the leaves. It's like green tea bark tea. That's what I get for getting green tea made by a beer company.
Maybe it's alcoholic.
Maybe it is. I'm wasted already. How's yours?
Mine is delicious. It's as delicious as this.
Oh,
It's delicious. Tastes like peach.
that's awful.